Four men accused of killing Jacksonville rapper Julio Foolio all want separate trials. The group is currently charged together in an alleged ambush murder outside a Tampa hotel back in 2024. However, they believe their cases should all be heard separately, and their attorneys tried to convince a judge of that today. Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer has been following the proceedings and is live in the newsroom. Aaron, what happened in court?
Haley, well, the overall question here is, does the evidence presented by the state apply to all of the defendants equally? Defense attorneys believe the answer is no. They think some of the details that will likely come up at trial may not apply to each of the four defendants and could unfairly sway jurors. You may recall Rashad Murphy, Davian Murphy, Sean Gathright, and Isaiah Chance are all accused of carrying out this ambush-style murder of Jacksonville rapper Julio Foolio, whose real name is Charles Jones. The shooting happened during Foolio's birthday celebration in Tampa in 2024. Investigators say it stemmed from an ongoing gang feud. The defendants are all charged with first-degree murder and could face a possible death sentence. Now, in court today, defense attorneys argued some of the gang history does not apply to all of the defendants, so their cases should be separated or severed, as they put it. But prosecutors say this crime was carried out as a coordinated attack and a joint trial is appropriate.
I strongly believe that this case illustrates why severance is required when the state's theory depends on inferential group narratives rather than individualized proof. Considered all together, they render a fair trial impossible, in my view.
They are responsible for all of the actions that they did in pursuant that assisted in this case, which included getting rid of evidence, which included removing both vehicles from Tampa to other locations where we weren't able to get them until days after the homicide was committed. So all of that evidence, we believe, should come in and shows why these cases should not be severed.
Alicia Andrews was also charged in this case. She was accused of acting as a lookout and, along with her boyfriend, helping plan the shooting. Andrews was the only defendant charged separately. Back in October, a jury found her guilty of manslaughter, but not guilty of conspiracy to commit murder. The judge in today's hearing said she'll take the matter under advisement and issue a ruling at a later date. Haley.
All right, Aaron Mesmer reporting tonight. Aaron, thank you.